Hey beauties, this is Oma Posh again. To all my returning subscribers, you know how much I love you. Thank you. And to my new subscribers, thank you for subscribing to my channel. And if you are watching this, you have not subscribed, please do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you get notified each time I make an upload. Welcome back to my channel. This is HBS again. Today I'll be showing you a simple recipe on how to make stretch mark soap. This is a natural remedy to clear off your stretch mark. This is safe, natural, safe, and very effective. If this is what you're interested in, stay tuned and watch this video to the end. So guys, let's just dive into the video. I'll just be showing you some illustration. Okay guys, so this is what I have. This is my stretch mark soap. So I actually made this for a client. This is the leftover that I have, so I just thought let me share with you guys. I actually waited till I got reviews from my customer before I decide to share with my subscribers on YouTube. So this is the already made soap. So in here I'll just be showing you what I mixed into this black soap for stretch mark. So this is a natural remedy. It is safe, it is natural, and it is very, very effective. So stay tuned. The first thing you need is your black soap. I prefer black soap because it is natural and it is easy to work with. That is why I prefer to use my normal African black soap. So guys, when you get your normal African black soap, you dice it just the way you make your normal black soap. You dice it, then after you have dice or grate or whatever, shred it into tiny pieces. Then the next thing you'll be needing is this powder. This powder here is lactic acid in powder form. So lactic acid is going to reduce the pH of the soap, because you don't want to use a soap that is too alkaline on your stretch mark. So you're going to add this lactic acid in powder form. If you're using like let me say 250 gram of black soap, that means you will be needing it depends on how effective your lactic acid, how effective it is. You'll be needing 2 tablespoons of this lactic acid in powder form, not in liquid form, in powder form, to add to your black soap. Then you leave it for a while, like say 30 minutes. So you leave it for a while, like say 30 minutes. So when you leave it for like 30 minutes, when you get back to it, your black soap will be soft. It will be easy for you to mix. Then at that point in time, the pH will be down. It won't be so alkaline as it is. So after having done that, the next thing you're going to add into your black soap is your shea butter. The shea butter is also going to reduce the harshness of the soap, because you're using this on your stretch mark and you do not want it to be too harsh so that it can be effective. So you will be needing 2 tablespoons of your shea butter into your black soap. Then after having added your shea butter, you're going to mix it thoroughly. Mix it thoroughly. Make sure that your black soap is well mixed. Then you can now add your key ingredient, which I'm going to show to you. This is a secret recipe. Like, I got this recipe from my grannies, my great granny. So like, it works magic. It really works. And I would like you to try this recipe out. Then at the end of this, you come back and give me your reviews. This is my secret recipe. Sorry, please pardon my dog barking. I don't know why it's barking. So this is my secret recipe. You are going to be needing this. This is plantain peel. This is plantain peel powder. This is the secret recipe. This is the main thing you need. This is the main thing you need to get rid of your stretch mark. It is a natural remedy. So you're just going to be needing 2 tablespoons of this. This is the secret recipe. Okay, so let me show you the way it is and how it's done. Okay, so this is my plantain peel. I don't know if you've seen this before. So how to go about this? You get your plantain peel, unripe plantain peel, please. Unripe plantain peel. Make sure the plantain is unripe, very unripe, and make sure the plantain is not matured. You know, all these unripe plantain that is not matured. So that is what you get. You get the back of the plantain. Then you air dry inside your house. Please do not sun dry this. You have to air dry inside your house. If you sun dry it, it will not work. You have to air dry this inside your house. So this is the one that I have not grinded. So this is my secret recipe that I'm showing to you guys. So this is it after blending it. I have a whole lot of it, but I just want to show you this. So if you don't want too much particles or shaft in it, you can just use your sieve. You can use something like this. You use something like this to sieve it, like this. So you sieve the smooth part. Then you can do away with the shaft. Next thing on my list is this. I think we all know what miracle powder is. So you just add a pinch of your miracle powder, like say a tiny bit, like let me say quarter of this spoon, because the miracle powder is not much in it, but it's effective. So you just add a pinch of this miracle powder into your mixture. Then again, I like to use black seed in anything that I'm making that is healing, for healing and repairing. You know, black seed is really very good. It has been said from research that the only thing that black seed cannot cure is death. So I like to use black seed. So you can just add a little bit of black seed, like maybe half spoon of black seed. Please do not overdo black seed, because it actually has measurement. It has prescription. So, and lastly, if you know, our mixture has nothing like water in it. So if you find your soap too thick, you just add this to it. This is aloe vera gel. So you add this into your mixture. If you find it too thick, you add this to it. This is a form of water. Aloe vera is a form of water. If you don't have this, you can just use your fresh aloe vera or any form of aloe vera that you have, aloe vera gel. You add it into your black soap till the consistency is okay for you, but it shouldn't be too loose. At the end of everything, this is what you have. So everything I mentioned right now is what I have in this bowl. I have my black soap, I have my shea butter, I have my secret recipe, which is the plantain peel powder, I have a pinch of miracle powder, I have my aloe vera gel, and I also have my black seed powder. Then I have my lactic acid to reduce the pH of this soap, because I wouldn't want it to be too alkaline, so it will not irritate my skin or my customer's skin. So try this out and come back and give me your review. Like, come back and give me your review. I know this works, so I know what I'm giving you. So guys, if you are not a DIY person, you don't know how to make this yourself, or you do not want to make it for yourself, you can just buy from us. We sell this coupled with other STRETCHMARK products that we sell. So you can just buy this. You can chat me up with the number showing on the screen if you are interested in buying directly from us. If you find this video helpful, please thumbs up for me, subscribe to my channel, and please do well to hit the notification bell so you get notified each time there's a video coming from me. Thank you. See you. Bye.